Hello everyone, it's Alison here from learntotradecrypto.net. Today is the 27th of April, 2021. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you're going to use Elliot waves to trade cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. It doesn't really matter what you trade. Elliot wave is a well-known technical analysis theory that is used to describe price movement in the financial markets. With Elliott waves, you are able to try and predict where the market is actually going to. I use it to gain market context, and this has really helped me in my trading for the past couple of months. And in my Telegram channel, we use this, and this is what we have been using, part of it to smash crypto. Like I said, I use it to gain market context and just to give an idea of where I am. If you are new on this channel, you want to subscribe and turn on your notification bell, because I give a lot of very useful content about how I use technical and fundamental analysis to predict the price of these coins. For example, you see here we are already 125% up on this coin called UBX network. I'll probably make a video on UBX network sometime soon, because this is a cryptocurrency project that is absolutely incredible and making a lot of gains. So if I go on to my Telegram channel, you will see that I posted this UBX chart a couple of days ago on April 24th. Today is 27th, and I said to buy the breakout and retest of that. And as you can see, we are very much in profit, up to 125%. So if you want to join us, click in the link below, look in the description below, and see how you can join our Telegram channel. So when we make these calls, you will be a part of it. So today, let us go and look at the definition of Elliott waves once again. It says here on Investopedia that Elliott wave theory is a form of technical analysis that looks for recurrent long-term price patterns related to persistent changes in investment sentiment and psychology. The theory, more importantly, the theory identifies impulse waves that set up a pattern and corrective waves that oppose a larger trend. Okay, so this is why I want you to take note of. The theory identifies impulse waves that set up a pattern and corrective waves that oppose the larger trend. Each set of waves is nested within a larger set of waves that adhere to the same impulse or corrective pattern, which is described as a fractal approach to investing. I'm going to show you these two bits on my own chart, okay? But first, let's look at generally what the waves look like, okay? So we do have 5 impulse waves, okay? And then 3 corrective waves. That's what you should understand. We have 5 impulse waves and then 3 corrective waves. And I'm going to show you that now on my UBX chart. So this is a chart of UBX Ethereum. And so you can see here, these ones marked in yellow are the larger waves, and these ones marked in white are the sub waves. Okay, so here it talks about 5 impulse waves. I mean, these waves can be very, very subjective how you number them. That is why I don't really trade with them as a trading strategy, but it just gives me an idea of where I am in the market. So whether should I be buying or should I be selling? This actually gives me an idea. Okay, so you can see for this first for this first impulse wave, 0 to 1, we have 5 subwaves. Okay, 1, 2. This is impulse wave 1, corrective 2, impulse 3, corrective 4, then impulse 5, all making up this first wave. And then we have this big correction up to wave 2. Okay, and then these are also made up of subwaves, as you can see as well. Okay, now the signal I gave my Telegram channel was because I knew that this corrective wave was coming to an end. And how did I project that? I used the Fibonacci retracement tool. More often than not, you find that these corrective waves tend to end around 78.6. Don't know if you can see that on my chart here. Let's see. You see, they tend to end around 78.6. Many of them also tend to end around 61.8. Let me push that further so you can see what I mean. You see that? So it tends to end around 78.6. And that was when I gave out this signal in my Telegram channel, my VIP channel, okay? Because when I did the Fibonacci from here to here, I knew it was around towards the end of the retracement. And I can also see it lined up nicely with the end of my lower channel as well. Okay, so in trying to project the possible path where it is going to, where the likely wave 3 is going to be, like I'm querying here, likely wave 3, what I used was to look for the distance of 0 to 1, okay, because basically wave 3 is not the shortest wave. It is usually longer than wave 1. So ideally, at a very minimum, if you are a short-term trader and looking to take some profits, then it makes sense to actually use a similar length of this wave 1 to project your wave 3 as a minimum. All right, that will be as a minimum. Okay, that's how you project your wave 3, and you should be looking to take profit around wave 3. Okay, and then you can then project wave 4 and then wave 5. Okay, wave 4 is going to be a correction, just like you have wave 2, like you have in this place here. Okay, wave 4 is going to be a correction, and then wave 5. When you get to wave 5, you should be thinking about selling and taking profits, and then looking to buy at the end of the correction, which you can actually try to predict using Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so it's Allison here. I hope this has made some sense on how you're going to use Elliott waves to trade cryptocurrencies. In this case, I'm using UBX. If you want to learn more about this, I do offer a one-on-one coaching program, or you want to come to my Telegram, where I also give a lot of great tips about how to trade cryptocurrencies. And if you're new, subscribe, because when I get to 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving out $100. If you want it in UBX, no problem. And when I get to 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving out a Ledger Nano S as well. Okay. So listen, thank you for watching. Make sure to rewind this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Any questions, leave it as comments in the section below. Yeah, guys, see you soon. Bye-bye.